show the outside of the box. There's your USB-C here. You get USB-A to USB or to mini USB, and then you get a USB-A to USB-C, so you can plug it into your, if you have like an adapter, plug into your computer. Have one of these, if you have one of these SD card reader adapters, and plug it in. If I could just figure it out, okay, there. If you could plug in, you can, use it to plug it into your phone. I'm using my phone to record this, so I can't show you, but you could plug it into your phone and read the memory card right off your adapter here and plug it into your phone and use it like that to get the files onto your phone or whatever. I'll leave a link in the description. You can get one of these too. So one of these little card readers. Oh yeah, just get a little cloth to keep it clean, to keep the lens clean. Speaking of the lens, when you first get it, you have one of these little things which you want to peel off, because with the lens protector, you want to peel it off because it'll definitely compromise the video quality if you have that on. And then I'll be getting comments saying, "Oh, this video quality looks like crap." It's because maybe make sure you take the lens protector off. So anyway, this is your USB. This is the micro SD card slot. I just use my own. I don't think they include one. Some of these, they don't include one. At least I don't have one here. There's not one inside. Anyhow, sometimes with these, they sell like a couple versions of these. This is like a rebranded version, the same ones that they sell on Amazon, under different names. With this, sometimes they sell a 64 gigabyte version and a 128 gigabyte version. It depends on which card they provide you with. So I just get the cheaper one, the 64 gigabyte, and I provide my own card. I have my own memory card because they charge like $10 more for their possibly crappy, possibly has a virus memory card. So I just, I never use their memory card anyway. I just use my own because I can rely on mine. With their memory card, you never know what the hell you're gonna get. You don't know if it's corrupt or whatever. I don't know. I have my own memory card, 128 gigabyte version. So if you turn it on first, this is your on button right here. You turn on, it'll complain that there's no memory card, then I'll just shut off. So if you want to make sure you put your memory card in, it goes in with the the label facing you like that. Pop that in like that. All right, turn it on. Now it's happy now, so it's got a memory card. Okay, so you got a microphone function. Okay, so it blinks amber, indicating that the microphone is on. Check, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. Checking the audio recording capabilities of the camera. Thank you. Checking the audio recording capability of the camera. Thank you. And you hit that again to shut it off. Yeah, now it's in standby mode. All right, good. This is the photograph button. So it's in standby mode now. It's on. The blue light is on, just solid. Take a picture. Press this button. Boom. Took a picture. Okay, so it's in standby mode to start recording. You just hit this again. Hit this one. And it just blinks continuously to indicate that you're now video recording. So to stop recording, you hit it again. Boom. It's back in standby mode now. It's solid blue again. All right. Yeah, it shuts itself off after a few seconds in standby mode to save the battery. That's good. Okay, it's also got a motion detection mode. Okay, so in standby mode, press the photo button for 3 seconds, and now it enters motion detection mode. Long press to turn it on. 2 seconds. Boom. It's in standby mode. So you gotta long press the photo button for 2 seconds to enter motion detection mode. So there it's It's in motion detection mode now. It blinks the same way it does in video recording mode, but whatever. Whenever it detects motion, it starts recording. So to get it out of motion detection mode, you just hit that one to stop it and bring it back into standby mode. This one. Okay, so the infrared lamp now. Infrared lights, it's got, so to turn it on, you press this up, turn it off, press it back down. All right, so infrared light at night, you press that up, turns them on, so you can record at night in darkness, in complete darkness. I'll put that to the test later. To turn it off, you just turn it back down and turns it back off like that. So there you go. And it tells you how to, you have to connect it to your computer for the timestamp. If you want a timestamp, you can have that that feature turned on as well. And video resolution, how to change it. I think it goes to 1080. And it says video resolution, 30 frames per second, 1080. 1500 milliamp hour battery. Video recording duration about 10 hours. Audio recording duration about 12 hours. You get pretty good time with this. Usually most people could use this for video recording. They're not going to use it to take pictures when they have their phone, They just want to have something like continuously recording whenever they're walking their dog or going outside for their own protection, in case some, Karen walks up to you or some obnoxious person walks up to you. There's a lot of crazy people out there, so it's good to keep yourself safe and record it, to show it to law enforcement if need be. It clips into your clothes. In case I didn't mention that, you have a little clip here. It's easy to use, but like people use these to protect themselves against crazy people out there, people who lie, people who want to get them in trouble with law enforcement, And you got your little USB connector down, USB-C connector down here. You'll figure out how to use it if you've used these before, but yeah, people use these things to protect themselves against liars, crazy people, all that kind of stuff. So these things are a good idea. I haven't tested out the video camera yet. I'll be testing it later, but I just want to do this little quick unboxing. I hope it's quick anyway. This unboxing of this little camera. So, yeah, it looks like a nice little camera. We'll see how the video quality is. I'll also leave a link in the description where you can get one of these magnetic mounts. You put this on the inside of your clothes and you put this on the outside. It clamps to your shirt or your jacket or whatever. And then this, you just clamp this in there like that. And this you could use this to mount it to your clothes as well. So this is good. All right, that's it. There'll be a link in the description. As always, yeah, thanks for watching.
Okay, 12. 10 on number 12.
Okay.
Yeah. Same. Yeah, a couple quick things to mention about this camera. It does support, recording while charging, so you can plug it into like a power bank or something like that, and you can charge it while you're recording. your food's here. Yeah. Thank you. Let's just leave it.